Sean here with Divine Dents. Just want to give you a little understanding of what we have to do sometimes. You know, obviously it's not always a perfect situation, but this is a kind of an unusual situation for a customer who has a rental car and they have to return it, and I'm not sure exactly. I think they're going to get some touch up, but they want to at least have the dent out. And so what has happened here, if you come in and take a look, there's been paint removed from this dent. And so there is also the dent. I'm almost done with it, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what's happening. The paint has been totally removed, but we can still get the dent up, and that's satisfactory to the customer. You know, my ideal situation is to do it 100% and have it back like factory, but in this case it can't be. So we'll do as best we can to satisfy the customer, and that's just getting the dent out. I think he's going to get some touch up, and hopefully, you know, satisfies the insurance company with that, or not the insurance company, but the rental car company. And we'll see what happens for him. But my job will be done here in a few minutes. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what we have to do sometimes, and just options. Sometimes people don't think that they can get this part done, or you know, you have to go to a body shop for everything. But this is one thing you can do. You can at least get the dent out for you. So that's my little information for today. I'm Sean Hickman once again with Divine Dents. Have a good day.